Hey everyone, this is a program called NotebookLM that contains all of the resources that you went through from this past unit. I have linked every single assignment, every document, every slideshow on the left side of the screen, and this program has generated a unit summary, a timeline of events, frequently asked questions, and a practice test that you can go through to prepare for your unit assessment coming up. So, what I suggest you do is you go through these specific items in order to review the main concepts from this unit that we just went through. So, you would begin through the unit summary, take careful note reading through each one of these, read it out loud, understand the process, don't rush through it, read it with purpose and intention. And once you have gone through the unit summary and evaluated the conclusion, move on to the timeline of events and see how all the things you read about in the summary transpose into this timeline. You get to see the cast of characters as well, some of the key characters of what we learned about in this unit. Then move on to frequently asked questions. These are really helpful to see some misconceptions that are oftentimes had that will help you on the upcoming assessment. And then once you go through those, you can try out the practice test. So these are 10 questions that are most significant to the unit at hand. You can answer the questions in 2 to 3 sentences on paper. You can talk them out loud to yourself. You can think through them in your head, whatever works best for you. I'm not grading a single aspect of this review. It is purely here for your own practice. And then to see if you got it right, you can go on down, and these are the answers to each one of those 10 questions. Essay questions if you'd like to practice even more. And then down here at the bottom are a few key terms, vocabulary terms that are sort of the heavy hitters from the unit we just explored. And I promise you, if you go through the unit summary, the timeline, the frequently asked questions, and the practice test, you will do fantastic on the upcoming assessment. Remember, none of this is graded. You handle this however you would like to. You can go through one of these things or all of these things, however you best want to prepare yourself for the test coming up.